Good morning to all. BA Economics, Economics of Growth and Development. Topic: Importance of Environmental Sustainability. Presented by Dr. Ashwini.H. In this particular session, we are going to learn about importance of environmental sustainability. Environmental sustainability is one of the biggest issues faced by the mankind at present situation. Increasing population along with tremendous escalation in anthropogenic activities has raised several questions on the sustainability of natural resources on our planet. No part of the earth is now untouched by the effect of human activities or pollution. Ever increasing human population and increment in per capita consumption has put great constraint on the natural resources. In addition to this, urbanization, industrialization, and modern agricultural practices have polluted the water resources, air, and soil all around the globe. The natural resources are thus not only being overexploited but also becoming contaminated with toxic chemicals, making it difficult for the survival of future generations. Efforts to protect forests will have to be combined with sustainable production and consumption patterns. It must be acknowledged that deforestation is caused by factors beyond the forest sector's control, necessitating integral approaches. The special role of forests in the life and livelihood of people living in poverty and indigenous peoples should be given adequate attention. Protection of certain terrestrial and marine areas can be simultaneously helpful for protection of forests, wetlands, biodiversity, water resources, fish stock, and so forth. This in turn is critical to avoiding economic hardships, social tension, and conflicts. Addressing the issue of climate change should help in the protection of terrestrial and marine areas. When we move on to the other part of this concept, adequate drinking water and sanitation infrastructure can best be built through public initiatives both at national and local levels, complemented by various community and non-governmental initiations. Infrastructure should be environmentally friendly to avoid negative externalities that have merged as access to drinking water and sanitation is expanded. The slums problem can only be solved through sustained, inclusive, and equitable economic growth, grounded in sustainable patterns of production and consumption, sustainable urbanization, and deeper human development. Achieving this will take time. Intermediate steps towards improving the lives of slum dwellers will need to be taken in the meantime. Going forward, coherent policies should make use of the interconnections between various environmental goals themselves and between environmental and human development goals in order to accelerate the process of the community. This will require finding targets and indicators that capture these interlinkages in an integrated manner whose quantitative nature also permits better monitoring of progress. So, in this session, we have some ideas about importance of environmental sustainability. For the economic development of a particular nation, sustaining the environment for the future generation is inevitable. Thank you, one and all.